Welcome to this stunning 4-bed, 3-bath home that sits on a large corner lot in the heart of Chase River. This home offers excellent value in a great neighborhood close to all amenities. The main living room has a beautiful brick heatilator fireplace and large bay windows looking out into the front, lovely gardens. Recent upgrades to the home include a 2-year-old forced air gas furnace and hot water on demand, along with some new windows and gutters. Steps away is the bright kitchen, great for entertaining in both the formal dining and in the breakfast nook nearby. Enjoy your early morning tea or afternoon lunch in your relaxing breakfast nook that overlooks the backyard features, including a large deck and hot tub. The primary bedroom features ambient light and overlooks the exterior landscapes with large, lush trees. On the upper floor, you will find 2 more oversized bedrooms, a 4-piece bathroom, and a good-sized office. Each room has its own unique features and showcases great balance between natural and ambient light. Downstairs, you will find a 1-bedroom in-law suite with its own entry, along with a workshop, flex room, and large pantry area and infrared sauna. This home is 5 minutes to the Nanaimo Airport or BC Ferries. Chase River features excellent schools, great local shopping, and the Nanaimo River nearby. The large deck for entertaining friends and family is filled with sun and privacy. The large double carport with full electrical would be easy to enclose or add an electrical charger. Additionally, RV parking and a full fenced front yard with a dog run adds to the value to ensure this home fits your needs to enjoy your Vancouver Island lifestyle. Call David Hitchcock today for more information.